Guys, oh my god, there's a held ice in here. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of them. Look at the size of them. There's so many. Let me catch them. All of them are here. The hairstone ducks. Oh my god! Oh. Oh my word. There's so many. Let me catch them. It is a held ice. Oh my god. Look at the size of them. Come on, let me catch him. Ouch. Okay. Darn it, I didn't get a chance to catch it. Let's see what happens if I catch him with this thing. Maybe I should lay it right here. Look at the size of them. I use my hand. Oh. Can you get a cup to catch it? Is there anything we can catch it to it? Yes. Catch this. Catch this. And it's still raining, but with held ice, that's what it's called. Yeah, look how many of these. Check that out.
That's crazy.
Yeah, maybe because... Oops. Yeah. I have to catch them all. Oh my gosh. I have to catch them all. They are sitting ducks. Oh, this held ice is starting getting bigger. Come on, catch. Gotta catch them all. Just like the video game. There's so many of these. They are sitting ducks.